Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for November 4, 2020. If you look at the SPY daily chart, you can see that after the market found a support here at the buy zone, they bow right back up, so they're able to break a down trend line here. So right now the market is continue to put to the upside. So how far they will go, it depends on what they want to do here. So right now, the immediate target, we're looking for somewhere around 350, 351 area there to see that the market be able to punch through this downtrend line here, or they get stuck right there, and then we can see where what they want to go next. Okay, and look at the 60-minute chart. You can see the market bottom here. They put it back up, they slam it down, they put it back up, they slam it down, put it back up, slam it down. So the market is still in the stair step pattern here to the upside. So right now the trend is still up, so we stick to the upside until they revert to the other direction. If you look at the SP 500, so you can see that it's the same pattern. The market it continue to make it high, low, and then if it hold up here, then it will rebound again to the upside. Okay, so that we can see when are they going to complete it. So we're looking for the level up to this level here, and they will find some resistance there. And if you are a trader, if you are a member of our expert live trading room, every morning we analyze the chart so that the people can make some quick money on the future trading. Like today, the market is up open at 6:30 after they stabilize, they push it back up. So this is the first trade. Our member jump in, take a trade right here, put it back up. That's a 50 point gain in the first 60 minutes. That's the $50 per point per contract. So if you trade only one contract, you make it $2,500, and that's done for the day. So that's what we're doing here every day in our live trading room. So if you take our course and you become our member, you can attend live trading room every single day. So we analyze all the stock for the swing trade, as well as we analyze the future for our member to take a quick trade on the day trading. And if you look at a lot of stock that we analyze, okay, the bio sector today, they're doing very well. They're leading by Biogen. They go up almost 43% in one day, $106. This one that get huge. Gigantic move. That's why they live up. The bio sector, a lot of stock like Johnson, they hit up, they hit the resistance, they pull back down. And MRK, another one that break out, they pull back to the support. So let's see what the market that they were able to hold up here and continue to the upside. A lot of financial stock that they get slammed down today because the uncertainty on the election. We don't have the president yet, so the result is not clear yet. So nobody knows what the heck going on. So the bank is getting nervous. So a lot of stock on banking they pull back down after they run up for the last couple of days. Okay, so that's why the market is very choppy. The financial market is very unstable. So everything that go up, hit to the sell zone, they put right back down. So today it's a good day. The energy stock is to get trouble because we don't know who will win the president. So that one will set the tone for depend on who will win. Okay, before the oil can go back up. Today is a good day for the blue chip. Like yesterday, we show you a bunch of blue chip stock. They're doing very well. Like Avon, they turn around here with a bullet formation there. Adobe, they found support here. It shoot up 35 points. AMD at 5 points today. Amazon, another one at 197 points in one day. And Facebook also 23 points right to the support. When the people get scared, they sell out. That's where we're supposed to buy. And then let's look at what you get today. And Microsoft also 10 point yen in one day. Nvidia, those strong stock here that continue to push it back to the upside. Hopefully they can carry the same momentum, and we'll see what they want to do next. Okay, so watch out for the resistance up to that level. A lot of construction they get hit today also after the they run up to the resistance. If you are a member of Top Navigator, they hit right into the sell zone. This is where you're supposed to take a profit. So they go up for the last couple of days here, hit right into the sell zone. If you don't know and you try to buy right here, that's a big problem. Because our members, they know this one is the sell zone. So they will cash out and take the profit, and the market will pull right back down. A lot of stuff like that. That's why you have to understand it's another sell zone there. So if you don't take profit, someone else will take the profit. It's another one. It's another one. Okay, so that's why it's very important for you to understand the market, not yet, when it's up and you try to buy it up, and then you don't know, they hit to the sell zone. That's where the problem coming in. That's why a lot of people, they try to chase the market. They don't know where they're at, and that's exactly, they are losing money. Okay, so if you would like to learn how to understand how the financial market, how to read the chart correctly by using modern technical analysis, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com. And if you are not a member yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will notify you so that you can see where the market heading to. So overall, the market is still bullish. So we stick with the uptrend until they hit the resistance, and we can see what the market is going to do next, and we go from there. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you on the next video. Take care.